Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your YouTube videos when you're watching them and speed them up over 2. So, if you didn't know, if you go to the gear icon, settings, click on it, go to speed, and then you can speed up your videos, but the maximum is 2. So that is one way you can speed up your videos. Another way, and this way you can speed it up over 2 times, is this piece of code here. So if you don't mind having your bookmark bar showing at other tabs, you can use this method. So what this method is, so how do you use this method? You go to the link in description below, and then use this code. Copy it, and then you want to right click, click add page, name it whatever you want, so I'm just going to name it speed, and then paste it, and save it. And then now when you go to a YouTube video, you can click speed, and then change it to what speed you want. Let's do 15. And then when you play the video, it plays at 15 times speed. Another way is to go to the Chrome Web Store, download Tampermonkey, and then click the icon, create a new script, and then go back to that link, and then copy this top portion, and then paste it in here. And then Control S to save it, and then you're finished. And then now, if you reload the video, let's go back to the beginning. Now, if you press the keys Control Alt Z, you're gonna get that same pop-up. And then now you can type in any speed you want, 5, enter or OK, and then the video is gonna be sped up. And that's how you speed up your video above 2. Please subscribe and like this video, share it, comment, and thank you for watching.